welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Ebehi, and in this channel I create DIY items that you can make and sell from the comfort of your home. So if you're new here, I say welcome. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, so whenever I post new videos, you'll be the first to know. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a scrunchie. This is quite easy. So this is a scrunchie. So this is what we're making. So to make it, you need an elastic. This elastic is 6 inches in length. Safety pin, needle and thread. And then you need a satin fabric. This is the satin fabric I'm using, and it measures 30 inches in length and 3 inches in breadth. From here to here is 3 inches, and then the length is 30 inches. So I'm going to put this on fold, and then I will go and sew with 0.5 inches. So I'm going to do that now. I have sewn it. So the next thing to do now is to turn this to the other side. That's turn it to the right side. So I am using a safety pin to do this. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do now is to put the elastic. Put the elastic into the satin we just turned. So this is what I'm doing. It's easy. And then I'm going to put it in. So, but you have to be careful so your elastic doesn't go in all the way. So you hold on to one side. So I'm just going to take this pin out. Take this part like this, and I'm going to close it up. So I have closed the elastic. The next thing I'm going to do is to put one end into the other end. Just slightly. Then I'm going to fold it this way. And then I'm going to use my needle and thread to tack. Please use a matching thread whenever you're tacking anything. just tack it round. So the scrunchie is ready. So this is the final work. This is what it looks like. Easy. So please guys, do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.